The best kind of smoky eyes are the ones that are practical and reliable. This is Taurus. Begin by pressing a dark teal close to the lash line. The key to a nice smoky eye is building up the color slowly. Buff the color out and make sure to use a completely clean brush to prevent muddiness. Although I'm personally a Pisces, this has become one of my go-to looks when I want something a little edgier. Take your time with it and blend, blend, blend. The color is going to fade because of all the blending, but no worries. Simply go back over it with more shadow on your brush. Repeat the process on the other eye and don't forget to smoke out that bottom lash line. Phew. After all that blending, it's finally time for more blending. This time we're layering over that faded teal with a deep blue-green color. To keep a smoky eye from being too top-heavy, always mirror the eyelid on the lower lash line. Now it's time for the final layer, a nice mint. For the blush, I'm applying my favorite cream blush onto my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. For highlighter, I'm using one with Mint Reflex and applying this to the high points of my face. Because I used all matte eyeshadows, I'm also highlighting the inner corners. I don't want this look to be too flat, so I'm opting out for a gloss instead of a lipstick. Finish off with a curling mascara and you're ready to bare your horns to the world.